My name is Maria Hernandez, and today I'm going to be teaching first grade class Government TEKS 11-8, explaining the purpose of rules and laws in home, school, and community. Good morning, class. How everybody doing?
Good.
Okay, today we're going to talk about rules and laws and why they are very important in our school and community and in our house. So, we're going to start with a game. Can everybody stand up and get in a line? I'm going to give you paper clips. Put your hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. I didn't explain nothing. Go back. We're going to play a game. I'm going to give you paper clips, and you're going to pass them to the back. Stop. I didn't give you no rules, did I?
No.
What if I give you some rules? What's going to happen?
We're going to know what to do.
Exactly. You know what you're supposed to be doing. So I'm going to tell you the rules of this game. I'm going to give you paper clips. I'm going to give you 6 paper clips. You're going to pass them to the back one by one on your left side. And then you pass it to the front on your right side. Okay? Put your hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then when they get to the back, make sure you pass them to the front on your right side. On your left side. See, this is why it's very important we have rules, because we know what we're supposed to be doing. And then to the front on your right side. That's your left side, right side. Follow the rules. Remember, we always follow the rules on what we do. Thank you. Who can tell me why I didn't give you, if you can have a seat, please. Who can tell me why I didn't give you rules at the beginning? Yes?
This is the first day of class?
It's the first day of class? Yes, exactly. First day of class, the teacher gives you the rules, what you're supposed to be following during the school year, during the school day, so everybody can be safe and everybody can do everything what they're supposed to be doing, okay? So I'm going to explain you what's a rule, and who doesn't know what's a law? Does anybody know what's a law? Yes, ma'am? Johnny? You need help? Giselle?
Rules that you're supposed to follow?
Exactly. There are rules that you follow. They can be laws or the ones that you follow out in the community. For example, you can't just drive and run a red light. Can you do that?
No.
What happens if you run a red light?
The police will give you tickets.
Yes, that's right. So let's talk about rules. Rules, a statement that tells you what is or is not allowed in a particular game or situation or place. For example, the game we did, I gave you rules. You're supposed to pass the paper clips on your left side and pass it back to the front on your right side. That's a rule. Next. Things you do and things you don't do. Examples. At home, do you have rules at home?
Yes.
Sorry, in school. Do we have rules at school?
Yes.
Yes. What are some of the rules that we have at school? That's one of the rules. You raise your hand before you talk. Good job, Anthony. Yes, ma'am?
You turn in your homework on time.
Exactly. You always turn in your homework on time. Johnny? Yes?
You don't leave the house.
We do not run in the house. That's a good example. These are some examples that we have at school. Raise your hand, follow instructions, make smart choices. Next is another example at home. What kind of rules do we have at home? Natalie? Go to bed early. Good job. What else?
Do your chores.
Do your chores. Jenny?
Do your bed.
Yeah, exactly. Those are the rules that we follow at home. We do homework, clean our room, go to bed early. Laws. These are very important for you whenever you grow up. A law, it's a rule of conduct and actions that a nation or a group of people agrees to follow. These are enforced by the police. Whenever you go out with your parents, you always see police, and they're always checking on what are you supposed to be doing if you stopping at the stop signs or you stopping at the red lights. So the police always are checking on for us to be safe. Some examples can be stop at a red light, no littering, and no stealing. Anybody else have another example? Other law? Johnny?
You don't steal stuff from houses.
Exactly. You do not steal stuff from houses. Another example that you can have? Laws? Yes, ma'am?
You don't rob her.
Exactly. That's a good example. Okay, so this is our presentation. So now we're gonna see if we understood what's a law and a rule. Let me put my purse closer up. Okay, when I call your name, you can come and get a sentence, read it to me, and place it on the place where you think it goes, on a rule, on a law. When I call your name, okay? Let's see who's going to be the first one to come. Giselle. Can you read it to us, please?
Stop at a stop sign.
What do you think that is? Is it law or rule?
Law.
Okay, place the law. Thank you. We always, when you grow up and get your driver's license, you always stop at the stop signs. If not, you can have an accident or police can stop you for running a stop sign. And let's see who's going to be next to come in. Get a sentence. Jenny.
Stop at the red light.
Stop at a red line. Where do you think it goes? On the rules, on laws?
Law.
Exactly. Let me give you some tape. They are kind of the same. This is a stop sign, and this is a red line, red light. But you always stop. Make sure you stop whenever you start driving at the red light and stop sign. Let's see who's next. Natalie.
Clean up your mess.
Is that a law or is that a rule?
Roll.
Very good. That is a rule. Is that a house or a school rule?
House.
House and school. Good job, Natalie. We clean up our mess at school and we clean our mess at home. We do not leave our mess for nobody else to clean it up. Anthony.
listen to your teacher.
Good job, Brady. And that is a law or rule? A rule. Is that a school or a home rule?
Both. School.
It's school. Good job, Ed. But you have to listen to your parents too. Remember, we always listen to the grown-ups. Let's see who's going to be next. Giselle.
Get along with others.
Good job. Is that a rule or law?
Rule.
Is that a home or school rule?
Both.
Exactly, both. We get along with our brothers and sisters, and we get along with our classmates and friends at school. Anthony.
Do not steal.
Is that a law or rule? Good job, Anthony. That is a law. We do not steal. And Natalie.
Do not litter.
Good job. Is that a law or rule? Yes, ma'am. Place it under law.
That's a big list.
And Jenny.
What and why?
Is that a law or rule? Rule at home or at school? Good. Thank you, Janelle. We walk in line. We do not run. And the last one is raise your hand. Is that a law or rule?
Rule.
Rule. Home or school? School. We raise our hands before talking. Good job. So now, do we understand what's a law and what's a rule?
Yes.
Yes, rules can be everywhere. Home, at school, at your jobs, in a game, any kind of situation. The law is enforced by the police, and we follow them. Everybody should follow the laws. And these are for the community, state, or anywhere. Okay, and we're going to I'm going to give you a piece of paper. Right here. You're going to draw a picture of a rule that you like best, either at home or at school. Name it, and draw a picture. On the bottom, you draw a law, the one that you like best, and name it too. I'm going to give you some colors. Yes, ma'am?
Can we copy it?
You can copy the pictures, but try to write it by yourself. If you need any help, just raise your hand. I can come help you. Here's some colors.
Right here.
What was your favorite rule, Anthony?